Hello and welcome back to Basics Algebra Grade 9. This is video number 2, and if you have not seen video number 1, please make sure that you go back to Basics Algebra video number 1, because we are going to cover a few of our rules in this Basics number 2. Here are some sums that you can write down. I will hold onto this for a little while for you to pause and write down. This is a little bit more challenging for you. However, if you have done or seen video number 1, you will remember your rules. And if you implement your rules, this will be easy for you. So we've got question number 1. X plus 7 equals 15. Use your basic rules from video number 1 and you will figure X, solve X. Sorry for that. Question number 2 is 3x equals 21. Same for that. Then question number 3 is 2x minus 5 equals 13. This one, question number 4, I'd like you to write down and go through it yourself as well, but I will cover it with you in a moment. It's 4x plus 3 equals 2x plus 11. Question number 5 is also a little bit challenging, but I'm going to leave it up to you to try and figure out. I would like you to comment below if you think you've got the answer, and I will cover all of this in a later video. I will go back to these and I will go through it with you and solve it with you. I'd just like you to try it on your own first. So this one is a bit of a challenge. It's 5, remember your bracket, x minus 2, bracket. There's a reason for the bracket and I'd like you to figure that one out yourself. Equals to 25. So then we are going a step higher. I'd like you to write this one up as well, and I will cover this with you as well. Why is it blurring? There we go. 3x plus 4, remember your brackets, equals 2, bracket x minus 1, close bracket. Okay, pause on it and write it down. Then, next one is 4, bracket 2x minus 3, bracket minus 3, bracket x plus 1, bracket equals 7. I would like you to try that on your own. I will cover it later on. Now, to help you with these sums, I'm going to go back to this one, number 4, and I'm going to cover it with you. Here we are. We're going to solve x in the following. This is the sum of number 4 that I will cover with you now. 4x plus 3 equals 2 plus 11. We want to have our unknown on its own. If you know it from video number 1, it helps a lot. We're going to do it like this. 4x plus 3 minus 3 to get us a 0. But what you do on the one side, you obviously do on the other side, which has been explained already. 2x plus 11 minus 3. Minus 3, minus 3. That we added ourselves to our original sum. To eliminate this 3 to get x on its own. Don't know why it blurs like that. Now, excuse me, 4x minus 2. We have taken this side and we minused it there as well. We have known that this one is now 0. We're not going to write the 0. It has been eliminated already. We are lazy. We want to write as quickly as possible to the answer. Minus 2 on this side. What you do on this side, you do on this side. So it's 2x minus 2, which gives us a 0 again. Plus 11 minus 3, 8. Right. Now we are left with 4 minus 2 gives us 2. X equals 8. This one is 0. We're not going to write 0 again. We are trying to get it away. Now we need to remember there's a times in between 2 and x. So we do the opposite to eliminate it, and that is divide. So we're going to write it like this. 2x divided by 2. 2x divided by 2 equals to 8 divided by 2. They are going to eliminate, but the x is still there. Remember that. Just the 2. There's no x there. So that x isn't eliminated. It's not the same over here. The x was there and the x was there. And we have minus 4 minus 2. 8 divided by 2, simple maths. It's 4. Now I've done one of these for you. You go back to those other exercises I've given you, those other sums, and you try and solve your x. I will cover it in another video. Thank you very much and have a lovely day.